Have you received an email or notification from Stormgain telling you that your Stormgain bonus funds will expire and you're wondering what is going on and is there anything I can do to not lose my bonus earnings? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've been using Stormgain for quite a while as a free way to trade and earn a little bit of extra cryptocurrency, and I have made a few videos about it where I talked about it before, and therefore a lot of viewers have asked me about this recent message that many of us got telling us that our Stormgain bonus funds will expire. So in this video, I just wanted to quickly give an update about that. Is there anything you can do to keep these bonus earnings, and what is this message about anyways? And if you do not know what I'm talking about at all when it comes to Stormgain, then I will leave a link in the top corner where I explain more about how I use it to trade and earn cryptos for free, so you will get a little bit more background information about what it is. But let's start by looking at this message and notification that I'm referring to. So I got a little bit surprised a few days ago when I received an email telling me that my bonus funds will expire inside Stormgain. And bonus funds can be, for example, what you earn by mining for free, as I've shown in several other videos. And also if you refer other people that end up mining or getting different bonuses like this. And the bonuses is what you can use to trade. You cannot take the bonuses directly out, but what you make in profit from trading your bonus is something you can take out. But those bonuses are then of course great to have there, because that's what you can make profit from, and you put in some effort to get those bonuses, and then suddenly we are told that it will expire. In this case, it says on the 28th of March, but maybe you will end up watching this later and have received another notification, because this actually happens regularly, but they do not tell you how often it happens. You can see you can start accumulating bonus funds after this date until the next expiry is announced, and I have not been able to find any information about how often they just reset the bonus funds like this. And that's just definitely one aspect that is very poor communicated in my opinion, and a general issue I have about Stormgain and why I'm not recommended as a top option to trade crypto. We'll talk a little bit more about that later, because they're just not super transparent in my opinion. There's a lot of information missing. Like, okay, but how often does that happen? Is it every 3 months, every 6 months, every 12 months? We need to know things like that, and you do not know anything about that. But what you are then told is that you can of course go and see how much your bonus is, and to keep it, they also write, you see, make sure to get the most out of it by using them in trading or deposit money to your account to avoid losing them. But again, there's not much more information about how much do I need to deposit, and will I then lose all of them or keep all of them on all this. But let me just log in to Stormgain and then we'll talk a little bit more about it. So I have now logged in, and you can see at the top I have earned 585, that I have a bonus USDT, and this is something that I have placed in different trades, and right now there is some profit, and I can then, what this I have earned I can take out, but these 585, that's bonus money that I'm just using for these trades that I cannot take out. But that's the bonus funds that I will supposedly then suddenly lose, and that's quite a lot of money. That's taking me a lot of time to get. You can get it, for example, by using the miner up there. I've shown many videos where I show how to do that. Again, I have a link in the top corner where you can see that. It's very easy. You just click a button and then it runs. And also I made a few videos where I share my strategy about it and what you need to be careful of and how to use it so you can do it completely for free and all that. And that's also why I have quite a few people that have joined through my link, and that's also something that have given me some bonuses. But all that I've earned both from the mining and from these bonuses. So apparently I'm about to lose that. So it says like then you can deposit money to avoid losing it. So I thought like, okay, I can put a bit of money in. I would love to know how much I need to put in to avoid losing, but I just tried to transfer a bit of money. I'll just show you an email to prove that I actually put the money in there. So you see, this is an email from Stormgain confirming that I transferred 15 USDT. And also if we're inside, you can see the bonus is this, but the total amount is this. So there is 15 USDT that I have transferred myself. I just did it from the platform next. So I just went to my wallets inside Stormgain, and there I went to deposit, and then I just got an address to transfer to. And I just copied this address. I've just blurred it now, but I copied it, and then inside Nexo, I just went to where I have USDT and just pasted this address and transferred it, and it was transferred within a few minutes. So that's how easy it is if you wanted to do something like this. I just want to mention that. And I did this to see what then will I get a new notification. But the thing is, right as of recording this video, I still do not know if this has been enough to actually get it or to keep it. And I have written the support to get a reply, and still haven't actually received a reply, because I want to know exactly how much do I need to deposit to keep it, because I actually do not recommend investing real money or depositing anything inside Stormgain for the reasons I explained in many other videos. Again, you can check that out if you want to know more. But I just wanted to do this because if I could transfer just a little bit and keep my bonus funds to keep trading, or to keep waiting until the market goes up, hopefully even further, so my earnings will be more and then I can take out the profit, then I would definitely be willing to put in $15 or something like that, even though I do in general not recommend putting in money on Stormgain. But I have not received any notification yet about whether that was enough, or I haven't received reply from the support yet. If I manage to get a reply from support before I actually publish this video after recording it, then I will just leave a screenshot of the reply, and then you can see there yourself what they say. But let me also just go over the general rules, because I tried then to look for information about what the rules on Stormgain say. So I just jumped to the section for the bonus funds, and the problem again here is there's just so much information that Stormgain is not telling us. Again, they do not tell us how often this bonus funds will expire. They do not tell us how much you need to deposit to keep it active, and all these things. The rules are confusing, and this is one big issue I have about Stormgain. I talked about it in previous videos that as a trading platform, I think Stormgain is quite limited and it's quite risky because it only offers leverage, and how quickly the trades can just close if the market goes down. I've seen that happening to myself several times compared to if I trade on other platforms where it doesn't just close down my trades and lose me whatever I put in there, but it can do that on Stormgain if the market suddenly goes down, which happens sometimes. So I already had some things that I didn't really like about it like that, but because it has this free mining option where you can get free funds to trade, then it can be a free way to earn a bit extra for many reasons that I just mentioned. I just do not myself want to put own money into that. I prefer using other ways of trading crypto that I just find more flexible and better, but because it's a free option, I still kind of like to use it, but I just don't like those aspects. And then when this comes up top, that they suddenly just remove your bonus funds and do not really give us a lot of explanation about what is required and all that. I really hope that I will get a reply from the support, but you know, as of now, I'm really a little bit upset that Stormgain has just made these rules without being more clear and transparent. And that's why I wanted to record this video, because many people have asked me about it. So instead of replying every single one, I tried to do some more research and wanted to record this quick update. So overall, if you got a notification about your Stormgain bonus funds expiring, then this is what is happening. Yes, they will seemingly expire. There might be a chance for you to keep some of it. I cannot guarantee that. Maybe we managed to see a screenshot of the reply from support. I cannot say that because right now I'm recording, did not get a reply yet. But as mentioned, if I did manage to get a reply before publishing, you would have seen the screenshot of that. But anyways, this is just another aspect that is in the minus side or the disadvantage of Stormgain. I have talked about other disadvantages. The advantage Stormgain has is that you can start trading for free if you use the mining option to earn, and then you can trade it and potentially take out profit. So it can be a free way to get started with crypto. But I just think there are too many things that is not clear, and the fees are also high if you decide to put in own money. So I will keep using the free option and free mining option and all this to be able to keep using the bonus funds, and then I'll just have to build it up again in case I end up losing it, and that's really annoying, and I'm not happy about that, and I will definitely spend less time on Stormgain for sure if that happens. But because it's free, I will still use it, but I really prefer other ways of earning crypto for free or by investment. I also have a lot of information about that. I'll leave links below so you can learn more about whether you want to earn Bitcoin for free or investing in crypto methods that I prefer instead. But I just wanted to record this little video with an update about this, whether it happens this time around for you or next time that you get this notification and you find this video, then this is just some rules they have. There's nothing we can really do about that. That's just something you have to accept if you want to earn bonus funds on Stormgain. If you can't accept these terms, then you should just not use it. That's all I can really say about it. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then please just make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.